Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be talking about happiness. So, first, I wanted to read these statements. Do you agree with them or not? Please pause the video while you think about this and write down two reasons why you agree or disagree with each of these phrases. Okay, guys, we're going to use this during class. Now, let's continue. We're going to listen to these three people talk about happiness. But I want you to please choose the specific topic that they mention. Let's go ahead and listen.
Page 98. Lesson C. As far as happiness goes, 1. Conversation strategy. Focusing in on a topic. B. Listen to a group discussion in a psychology class. Which comments do you agree with?
So, how do you define happiness and success? Are they the same thing?
As far as I can tell, they're not necessarily the same thing. I mean, according to a recent job satisfaction survey, accountants are the most unhappy. But as far as careers go, accounting is considered one of the best.
Yeah, I mean, we're brought up to believe that happiness means having lots of money, a big house, and everything. But as far as I'm concerned, you can't define happiness in terms of what you own. No possession in the world can make you truly happy.
I agree. When it comes to being truly happy, it's about doing things that have meaning. You can't just sit around waiting to be happy. As far as happiness is concerned, it's all about relationships, I think. You need strong social networks. There's a lot of research that shows people who are lonely aren't just unhappy, but their health is affected too.
Okay? So, first we have Marta, who was talking about relationships can make you happy. Frank thinks that things cannot make you happy. And Juliet thinks that the key to happiness is doing things that mean something to you. Did you have the same? Great. Now let's go ahead and continue. I want you to please go ahead and read the script of the previous conversation and think about what the phrases I underlined are doing. As far as careers go, when it comes to being truly happy, and as far as happiness is concerned. So, if you notice, these phrases are helping me uh, focus on a topic. So, let's go ahead and take a look at this. We can use these expressions like as far as we have a noun in success or careers. We can say is concerned or go. We can also say when it comes to, and then of course the noun, and in terms of. Remember these expressions, the function that they do is just focus in on a topic. Now, in conversation, they are not extremely common. They are more common in formal speaking. In terms of is going to be the most common, then as far as concerned or as far as go, and the one that is not so common is when it comes to. Okay, let's go ahead and continue. Let's go to workbook page 69, exercise A. Here, we're going to complete B's answers using the words in parentheses and any expression in the box. You can only use in terms of only once. Sorry, let's take a look at number one. What is happiness? I think you can define happiness having no worries. What do you think we should write here? Well, if you notice, as far as go or goes, as far as is or are concerned, do not work because they do need a complement later. Again, when it comes to having no worries, we're going to need a complement after that. So the only one that makes sense is in terms of having no worries. Now, pause the video, work on the rest. Okay, guys, we're going to check this during our class. Now, go to student book page 98, exercise D. Please complete the sentences using your ideas. We're going to share these during our class, okay? Now, I will see you then. Bye bye.